Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to fix computer not show in network from local area network. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. You see on network PCs are not shown in this my network. Close this. Open control panel. Click on OK. Open programs. Click on program and features. Click on turn Windows features on or off. Scroll down. Click on SMB 1.0/CIFS file sharing support. Click on OK. Client and server both are select. Then click on OK. Please wait. Searching for required file. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Applying changes. OK. Restart PC. After restart PC, you open my network or network. You see all icons are shown on this my network. I hope you like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. See you on next video. Thank you.